Hello my lovelies, how are you all? Today I'm very much excited about today's video because I'm going to show you all what I have purchased from Nykaa Pink haul. So when the Nykaa Pink haul was up, I told myself, Somi, keep calm. You don't have to waste your money because money is precious and you have everything. But guess what? I end up purchasing total 19 products from Nykaa. And here I'm excited to show you all what I have purchased. But in this video, don't expect two things from me. First of all, don't expect detailed information or detailed reviews of those products because I'm just looking forward how I can actually going to give you the haul because so many products scattered here and there right now. The only thing I can tell you is the product quality, packaging, the basic things, nature, amount, the discount I got. And secondly, don't expect the typical unboxing haul because of this present COVID situation, because so many protective measures that you have to take care of when you are getting a purchase from outside, a product from outside. So obviously you have to disinfect, you have to do these, that, so many work. So with that note, let's get started. And before starting today's main video, don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe if you are new, and do comment. Let me know about your views about today's video. So with that note, I'm pretty much excited. I don't know how I can give all the haul details of those 19 products. So चलो शुरू करते हैं. फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज 20 ड्रेसेस का ये बेल्ट. ये बेसिकली इसका पैकेजिंग आप देख सकते हो, बहुत ही क्यूट पैकेजिंग है. और ये रहा ये बेल्ट. दिस इज बेसिकली द फ्रंट पार्ट. और ये इलास्टिक, थोड़ा फॉक्स लेदर, मिक्स एंड मैच टाइप का चीज़ें है. आई प्रिटी मच लाइक द मैट फिनिश गोल्ड टोन बिकॉज आप कोई भी ड्रेस, कोई भी गाउन या शर्ट, sorry my tortoise is making huge noise there in the background. So ये बेल्ट मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. सो दिस बेल्ट एक्चुअली कॉस्टेड मी 487 जिसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस था 695. फिर मैंने लिया प्लम का ये काजल, दोज हू नो मी. और मैं अभी ना प्लम काजल ही मैंने अप्लाई किया मेरे आईज में. तो ये है मेरा पुराना प्लम का आई का मतलब कोल काजल. इसका फुल नेम क्या है बता दो, प्लम नेचर स्टूडियो ऑल डे वेयर कोल काजल. ईच कॉस्टेड मी 371 जिसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस था 495. मुझे एक काजल फ्री में मिला है. आई जस्ट शो यू द क्विक स्वॉच. इट्स क्वाइट पिगमेंटेड और ये बहुत अच्छे से आई में रहता है. प्योरली हर्बल है. इट डजंट क्रिएट एनी इरिटेशन ऑन योर स्किन. सो ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ गुड डील, स्टील डील. और मुझे प्लम काजल एक्चुअली 2 के साथ 1 फ्री ऐसा कुछ ऑफर नहीं था बिकॉज आई परचेज सो मेनी अदर प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम प्लम, इसलिए शायद मुझे एक काजल फ्री में मिला. तो उनमें से एक है ग्रीन टी रिन्यूड क्लैरिटी नाइट जेल. ये मेरा 4th या 5th टाइम परचेज है. और ये प्रोडक्ट में मैं क्या बोलूँ, मतलब आई लिटरली मैं पी जाती हूँ इसको. मतलब दिस इज़ फॉर माई नाइट टाइम रूटीन एंड दिस इज सो गुड. मे बी ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ग्रीन टी विल नॉट गेट एनी एक्ने. So my daughter is shouting, she is playing anyway. So green tea renewed clarity night gel is super love. I mean, if you have acne prone skin, if you have combination skin, then this product is just for you. You will not get any active acne if you are using this gel, that is for sure. Okay, then I have another product. This is green tea clear face mask. तो दोनों का मैं पैकेजिंग थोड़ा बहुत दिखा देती हूँ बिकॉज अदरवाइज दिस ड्यूरेशन विल बी टू मच ऑफ दिस वीडियो. सो दिस इज ग्रीन टी नाइट जेल एंड दिस इज मास्क. दिस इज ग्रीन टी क्लियर फेस मास्क एंड दिस कॉस्टेड मी 368 जिसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस था 498. ठीक है. तो पैकेजिंग वाइज दीज आर ऑल ग्लास जार्स, quite heavy, quite sturdy, and all over packaging from Nykaa was good. I'm very much satisfied. And ये face mask मैंने अभी तक कभी use नहीं किया, so I can't really give you the detailed information about this. But the green tea night gel is love. आप आंखें बंद करके इसको ले सकते हो. Next मैंने लिया Faces Canada का Deep and Twist Nail Enamel Remover that costed me 175, जिसका original price था 250. It's quite a good thing, you know. Actually, this also have vitamin E, olive oil, aloe vera, some floral essence. So it doesn't give you the smell of typical toluene, but it's also having beautiful fragrance. A sponge is there and nail polish remover. That solution is there. मैंने एक बार use किया. So obviously I can tell you it's the most hassle-free nail polish or nail enamel remover product. You don't have to get separately the cotton ball or the nail polish remover solution. So it's just at one go. Just deep twist and your work is done. Few my purchase. One is Nykaa. Okay, both are Moi by Nykaa. This is Matin and this is Amore. Amore दोनों का पैकेजिंग आप देख सकते हो कितना क्यूट है, कितना रॉयल है. मैटिन का तो बहुत ही क्यूट है और अमोर का भी पैकेजिंग बहुत ही अच्छा है. दिस इज अमोर. दिस इज बेसिकली फॉर नाइट टाइम, यू नो, पार्टीज, लिटिल बिट मास्क टाइप ऑफ. थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग है बट ओके, आई मीन नॉट दैट टू स्ट्रॉन्ग. इट्स लाइक मास्क. एंड द मैटिन इज लाइक अ वेरी mature fragrance. I mean, it's not for school going or college going girls, like for the age group of 25 above, 27 above. And the wooden kind of fragrance is there, and I can show you all inside. The glass packaging is there, and then on top the metallic cap is there. So pretty good, but don't expect that these perfumes are long. It's not that long lasting, so that's one thing I didn't like about them. But it's ready, I mean, for daily wear purposes, I think it's quite a good idea. And this perfume costed $249 each. Okay, then I got this LA Pro HD concealer. This is in the shade of Toast GC 981, and I purchased this just to, you know, contouring my face, and it costed me around 695. Another contouring palette I purchased from Wet n Wild Mega Glow, and this costed me around 499. And this is like powdery kind of texture, so if you are just a beginner in makeup and you don't want to spend much money on contouring palette, then obviously this is something, you know, you may like. And you can see 12.5 grams you are getting in 499, and it's quite good. I mean, pigmentation wise you don't expect too much, but it's like okay-ish kind of thing. Then what are the other things I got? Maybelline Fit Me 115 Ivory. This foundation matte poreless, and 115 Ivory is my shade, fair complexion के लिए. So this costed me 299. Okay. And I got this beautiful necklace. It's looking so royal, na? Yeah, this is from Sukhi Jewelers, and इसका original prices क्या था याद है? 3,600 something was the original price, and I got it in 599 rupees, which I think it's a still deal. But personally, I didn't like the hanging things here, so maybe when I will wear it, I'll remove it and I'll just keep it the way this. Thought, why not to talk about the hair care products? My hair is chemically straightened, so I have to take extra care for my hair, be it shampoo, conditioner, spa, hair serum, everything. So here I got this L'Oreal Extenso Pro Keratin In-Cell shampoo for myself, and this is the shampoo I use, and that costed me 530 rupees. And this is Siri Expert Liss Unlimited L'Oreal Professional ka. It's just kinda a bit of leave-on conditioner type, and it's primrose oil, so it costed me 650 rupees. If you feel like your hair is losing its charm, the glow, the shine, then obviously this is the right kind of product, and it's quite travel friendly, you know. First of all, it smells heavenly. Secondly, it has a beautiful lock system, so it will not spill out. And I think whenever you feel like your hair is losing its the glow, natural glow, the shine, then just take a few drops and you just on your use it on your hair shaft, and you'll see instantly it will give you the shiny kind of glow. then I am a person who loves to use lip balm all the time. So these two lip balm I got, इसका outer packaging मैंने फेंक दिया obviously क्योंकि मैंने वॉश कर लिया था. So 175 में मुझे buy one get one free मिला है. लिप बाम की अगर मैं बात करूँ then obviously Maybelline Babe Lips are the best, and I got another lip balm. This is Alia Love NY limited edition, and the shade name is Highline Wine, and this is little bit tinted lip balm. I'll show you the tint. Highline Wine, and it just looks like this. So it's a quite beautiful color, and as a lip balm obviously again I would like to purchase this one. This single cost me 175 and this cost 175 में आपको दो मिला है, buy one get one free. बहुत अच्छा मैंने रिव्यू चेक की थी. नाइका आई एम बोल्ड काजल मेड इन जर्मनी 3.4 ग्राम आपको मिलेगा, एंड दिस इज डीप ब्लैक 001 इन शेड, एंड दैट कॉस्टेड मी 360 rupees. I forgot the exact price. Yeah, 360 rupees. I had a quite high expectation. I think see the tip, it's quite little bit blunt, though it comes with a cute little sharpener thing, but I think I'd like to use it for making smoky eyes. I can show you the pigmentation. Pigmentation wise it's okay, it's good, it's smudge proof, it's okay, but I didn't like the tip. See, I usually prefer the simple neat winged kind of eye makeup. So if you want to make a winged eye makeup, then obviously these eyeliners are the best. This is from Sugar, and this is black 01 back in black. Okay, but if you are not an eyeliner person, then obviously I suggest you to use plum kajal, which is quite good. I mean, pigmentation wise it's quite good. It will not cause any irritation, and it will just give you a nice winged or detailed eye makeup. So right now my eye makeup is done by plum kajal, but for this the tip is quite blunt, so personally I don't know how I can I'll be able to adjust it, but इसका review मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा मिला था. Then I got these two cute nail polish, okay, from Nykaa, and this costed me each 134. This is Pomegranate 47, and this is Retro Red 271. Retro Red 271 right now I'm wearing. I have Maybelline New York Sensational Creamy Matte Lipsticks. Total 5 lipsticks are there. उनमें से 2 मेरे mother-in-law के लिए है, because she loves to wear warmer shades, and I thought why not to purchase for her. And I hope she is watching. Hello, কেমন আছো? Hope she is watching, and she is such a lovely lady, and she is such a nice follower of my YouTube channel. She will always like, comment, and she is a lovely lady. So yeah, shades दिखा देती हूँ. First of all, this is Rock the Coral 635 from Maybelline. Rock the Coral is basically, this is a pale pink kind of thing. So if you are thinking Rock the Coral means it's little bit peachy orangish kind of thing, then no, Rock the Coral is basically a lighter tone of pink. Then I'm showing you Flaming Fuchsia. Flaming Fuchsia is just like the color of my dupatta. Yeah, Flaming Fuchsia is just like that. I purchased 2 Flaming Fuchsia, one for me, one for my mother-in-law. And then I have the Craving Coral. This is called Craving Coral. Craving Coral is basically the orange tone. If you want to get a lipstick which is having typical orange tone, then obviously Craving Coral is the one. And yeah, again Flaming Fuchsia, one for me, one for my mother-in-law, and another one Bold Crimson is for her. So Bold Crimson is basically a nice warmer tone, little bit reddish kind of tone. The only thing I don't like about this lipstick is like the fragrance is like kind of medicine syrup kind of, which I don't like personally. But all over the pricing, everything was quite good. और ये लिपस्टिक मुझे 254 में मिला है, जिसका ओरिजिनल प्राइसिंग था 299. और वो सारी लिपस्टिक के साथ मुझे एक Maybelline का what is this Color Sensational Intense Crayon lipstick मुझे मिला है. ये लिप crayon है which is red in color, and I'll show you the shade. This is a matte red shade. So yeah, with that note I came to an end of this video. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Do comment and let me know, and thank you so much. मिलते हैं next video पे. चलो, bye bye, take care.